Good morning, students. It's very pleasant moment for all of us to join again with all of you over there at home. And on behalf of NGM School, Father, our school trust management, all teaching staff, non-teaching staff, we all extend our best wishes to all of you and to your family members. This is the time when we are back to work, a new academic session which has begun today, and it was Father's long thinking that when we are going to start online classes, why not start the day in such a marvelous way when we are able to communicate to you, when we are able to be present before you through technology, because this is something we call a new normal. This is not something which we cannot accept, but this is something which has become world over acceptable through technologies, through this media which we are using everywhere, in every corner of the world nowadays. How can education remain aloof and away from it? So education is very fast developing field, and therefore technology has to be brought in the field of education. And that's why since last year our school is imparting education through online technologies, digital technologies, and you have been studying, and we have ensured that you study and your learning continues, and your growth, your progress also continues. And this time too, from today onward, we are starting this. So once again, pleasant moment for all of us to come in front of you and join you in this new technological method. This is digital new learning, a new normal, I will call it. And let us continue this endeavor till everything gets normal. And as you know, whatever challenges come in life, it's not that for the first time this pandemic has come before mankind. Over the years, in the past centuries too, many such disasters have taken place. But it is the spirit of man which does not give up. And that's the true spirit of humanity, that whatever challenges come, we have to make our way through. We have to find a new way. So I hope on behalf of all our teaching staff that when we start our online teaching through this new normal, you will also be quite enthusiastic and adopting the technology and learning, and continue your progress. There are certain things that we have to ensure. As students, you have to constantly focus on screen for long hours, study and present your material online, but be agile and alert when the teacher is teaching. Keep notes. Whatever homework is given, you keep notes of it and do it in time. And you will soon find that this is really normal, and it has many advantages, because teacher, when he uses this technology, he can use videos, he can use podcasts, he can use many material available on internet and interact with you, impart education online. And same time, you also have got new horizons. which is widening your knowledge. So once again, I wish you all a very happy learning and welcome you on behalf of MGM School. Hello. Thank you very much.
Teachers, my dear students, and dear parents too. Paying homage to our late lamented Bishop, His Grace Thomas Mar Athanasios. Let us start the new academic year, 2021-22. From last year, we are undergoing online classes. We are all going through difficult times, I know. Let us hope that as soon as possible, we will all be assembling in the school and we will be having the classes offline in the school also. This fine morning, I wanted to adapt a saying from our Bishop, Thomas Mar Athanasios. Search for excellence. Search for excellence was his motto. And it is still reverberating in our campus. The saying by our Bishop, search for excellence in our life. We have to face a lot of difficulties. Even then, we are given the strength by God to overcome all those difficulties and fight in life and come successful in our life. And while fighting, we need to equip with a lot of skills, especially life skills, for which education also plays a significant role. This is a crucial period of your age. As per the opinion of our Bishop, he always used to say, while giving counseling to our Standard 10 students, the first 25 years of our life, we should be fighting continuously to come to a step where our success will be starting. That will be the base from where our success will be starting. Or we will be achieving a career which will be the base through which the further steps in our life will be set up. You know, this academic year has started. Today, after this assembly, the class teachers will be engaging you through different platforms, preferably Google Meet, or the platforms which are set to you by the teachers. And today only class teachers will be engaging you. Tomorrow onwards, the subject teachers will also be teaching. As Wilfred sir has finally said, from today onwards, our studies should be starting. Regular studies, regular homework, the regular assignments which are given by the teachers, that should be done by you, and it should be submitted in the time itself in the school. This year government has taken the decision for standard 10 and 12. All the students will be promoted, and the examination is also even cancelled. And for standard 10 result, they have given the criteria through which the result is to be prepared. In that criteria, standard 9 marks are considered. Previous year marks are considered. And standard 10 first time examination mark, that is also considered. Along with that,
today is a great day to learn something new. Thank you.
Stand in attention for national anthem.
Start your phone in over.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे